Hi, Jacek from Prodio here. In this video I will show you how to set up your account to get started with Prodio. So, first thing that you have to configure while starting working on Prodio is shop floor views, which is basically the same thing as a production schedule. So here will appear all the manufacturing tasks that your workers have to do and all of the data assigned to them. Okay, so by the default, you have one shop floor view, which is just this default one here. And if you want to add another one, you can do it by clicking here and typing the name, login, and password. And here are some additional options. So now you may wonder when you should create more than just one shop floor view. Well, probably in situation, for example, when you have your production, your manufacturing in two buildings. If it's in two buildings, then maybe you want your workers to see just the things that they have to do in the building that they are in. Like, for example, if one building workers just do cutting there, and in the second one they, I don't know, paint the product or do quality control, you can just create two shop floor views for each building. Okay, so now let's say you have your shop floor view and you would like to turn it on the production. So to do that, here is a quick tutorial how to do it. So basically just copy your address, put it into browser, and then log in, but on the right side on the shop floor view. And the data to log in are the ones that you have here. Okay, so second thing that you have to add to get started are machines and operations. And in Prodio, machines and operations are just processes that your product have to go through to be completed. Like, for example, cutting, painting, and quality control. Then, so add here all these processes or machines like CNC1, CNC2, and so on. Add all of them by clicking here, and now you can just input the basic information like the name of the machine or operation, like CNC1 or cutting, painting, and so on. You can add some additional notes. You can choose if it's active or no, and you also have some advanced options, but yeah, it's just optional. But if you add, for example, work hour price, then later you will have more accurate calculations about cost of the order. So let's add new machine. Let's say it will be CNC1. And now, okay, and now when you've added the machine, you can assign it to the shop floor view that you've created, or by the default is assigned to the default shop floor view. So if you would like to assign this machine to other shop floor view, you can just do it here in the basic options and just choose the shop floor view here, so that if you turn on the, let's say, default shop floor view, workers will be able to see just the machines that are assigned to this, and with that, all the tasks that are assigned to the machine, which is assigned to this shop floor view. Okay, I think that's it when it comes to that, so let's save it. And now let's get to workers. So here you can add all the production workers, so the people that are working on the production, people working in the office don't count here. I'm gonna say about it later. So let's add a new worker. And again, we have some mandatory fields like name and pin code, and the rest is just optional. You may choose a job position, work hour price, phone, you can add a photo, and you can also assign QR or RFID code to the worker so that it will be easier for them later to clock in and out into work and into manufacturing tasks. So let's create a worker. Okay. And now we have our worker. And also you can generate QR codes for your workers, also to click in and out, and barcodes. And now let's get to the users. And in Prodio, users are basically just the people with the access to all the functions of Prodio. Like production workers can just see what's on the production schedule, and users, depending on the level of access that they have, they can, for example, check the orders, they can look into work history, other materials, and so on. So if you have some office workers that are working from office and they would add orders, manufacturing tasks, raw materials, or they will check the analysis, you can add them here. They doesn't count as workers, they count as users in Prodio. And to add them, you just have to click here for sure and add their name, email, and password. And then here you can choose the account type that they will have. And if you would like to check which users have access to which functions of Prodio, then you should go to permission table, which is here. There you can check who can do what in Prodio. Okay, you get that. So you may probably wonder what to do if someone is working on the production, but he also does some office work. Then you just have to create his workers account and user account, so that when he is at the production, he will be clicking in with his worker code or RFID code, and while he is at the office, he will just do everything in the program with his user account. So it works like that. And when we go to the production schedule, you can see that our machine that we added is here. So now you can start to add some basic products and plan them, and they will appear here at the shop floor view at the production schedule. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to learn more about creating orders and assigning raw materials, check our other videos. Thank you for watching. See you. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and tech tips. Additionally, check out what else we've prepared for you.